Welcome to the How To Studio. In this video, I will show you how to go into full screen mode in Google Sheets. So it's quite simple and easy to do full screen mode in Google Sheets. All you have to do is just click on this search bar and then you're going to search for full screen and then you're going to click on it, and then that way you will have a full screen where you don't have the menu and you're not distracted by the menu and you can just work on your spreadsheet. And if you want to exit full screen mode and you want to see your menu again, all you have to do is press the escape key on your keyboard. Once you have pressed your escape key, now you can see that your menu is fully back up. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please like this video and also leave a comment in the comment section letting me know if it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.